Horses out, Ria Bandrimer Zigs on a rose, best to begin, moving up Batangas, Baron on the outside, then followed by Rocking Maze. Rocking Maze moves up by about 3/4 of a length, Batangas Baron in the middle, on a rose is by the third, then followed by Hockey Hawk, My Cup of Teas, Marty Gibson, Mika's Friend, Be My Baby, Europa, Dance Rose, Blue Dancer, then next on line is Touch of Glory, and Euromax is racing in last. They swing into the back. Batangas Baron takes the lead by about half length. Rocking Maze is on the outside second. On a rose, back in third. 4 lengths watching them. My Cup of Teas, Marty Gibson, Hockey Hoka, Be My Baby, Danori inside, Mika's Friend alongside Dance Rosa, Europa, Blue Dancer, Touch of Glory, and Euromax. And it's still Batangas Baron by Oralenka. My Cup of Tea now moving up by Drella. And on the outside third comes Rocking Maze, on a rose in fourth. Batangas Baron still in front by Oralenka. Rocking Maze once again on the outside. And in third, My Cup of Tea as they come down at the last 200. Batangas Baron, Rocking Maze is on the outside, fighting it out for the lead. Rocking Maze now takes the lead. Batangas Baron is down on the inside. Rocking Maze, Batangas Baron, but Rocking Maze by Oralenka and a half over Batangas Baron, and finally Rocking Maze, Batangas Baron, Blue Dancer, My Cup of Tea, on a rose, and Hockey Hawk for your Super 6.
Pangilan limado yun?
30.